Hello friends, welcome to Pathfinder Ice Club. It's been a month of lockdown now. Through our mentoring program, it has come to our observation that many of the aspirants are facing different issues in prelims preparation. Let's talk about the few of the issues and ways to tackle them. So let's begin. Most of the aspirants who are preparing in cities like Delhi, Pune, Bangalore are used to common study rooms. They are facing difficulties in studying home because generally we go to home just to take breaks. So it is like altogether new scenario for them. Then, since there is a change of place to study hours are fluctuating from 0 to 10 hours and mostly on the downside. Many of the aspirants are asking us if the prelims will get postponed. And this leads to the next issue, should we continue prelims study or should we take up the optional subject? Because optional subject is one of the very important factor in clearing mains and in final selection. So many of the aspirants are facing this issue. Some aspirants are working on round system, so for that they require paper pencil format, but because of lockdown they are not able to get the xerox, so they are also facing problem of print material. Few of the aspirants decided to stay back and continue study, but then a lot of time is consumed in cooking. With the extension of lockdown, some of the students or aspirants who are stuck in Delhi or Pune, they are thinking to go back to home. But if you see that, in my opinion, particularly those who are stuck in Delhi and Pune, and there are a lot of groups also which are active in this particular thing. So let us see how we can tackle these issues. And to cope up with the home study, I suggest you should utilize early morning hours, that is 4 to 7, then non-busy afternoons, that is 1 to 5 p.m., and then late night hours, that is 10 to 1 p.m. Even if you use any of the two slots, it's like 6 to 7 hours of concentrated study. Also, you can convert one part of the home or room into study zone. We also understand that because of this lockdown, all the members of house are in the home, so you cannot switch off the TV for long. So better choose some place farthest from the TV and use cotton earplugs. About the prelims getting postponed, no one knows, not even the UPSC chairperson, about the date. Hopefully everything will get cleared on 3rd May. If you have cleared prelims earlier, you can dedicate 1 hour for the optional subject till 3rd May. And in my opinion, others should continue their prelims preparation. Don't get stuck on the physical prints of the test. Adjust with the present situation and make selective and effective use of online material. Everything is available online. Then, if you want to save cooking time, use tiffins which are provided by NGOs and student groups, particularly which are active in Delhi and Pune. If you are cooking food on your own, consider it as a break from your study. Consider it as an investment of the time in developing life-saving skill. About about going home, considering the rising cases everywhere, it is better to stay wherever you are. Traveling increases risk of infection. But this is my opinion. You should take call as per your own needs and availability of transportation. See, ultimately, always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other one thing. Be your best version and give your best shot. I hope you found this video useful. Wish you all the best and great success. Thank you.